Hey everyone, I am going to make a copycat recipe, actually 2 of them using the same ingredients, and I am so excited. I'm obsessed with the CPK Tostada pizza. So I'm going to be making that and then using the same ingredients to make like a Chipotle Burrito bowl the next night. And I actually already had the black beans as a soup. So already I've gotten 3 meals out of it. But the CPK Tostada pizza, my sister and I always get it whenever we go to CPK. I've been eating it for way too long. I love it so much. So I'm gonna try to copycat it, try to do it as healthy and low calorie as possible. It's probably not possible, but I've been tracking my calories on my Apple Watch and the Lose It app, and it's right on like the front of my Apple Watch. I have 993 calories I've been saving. So I'm gonna calculate it, see if I can get it under so I can have a little snack. It's 2 o'clock. And little Boo Boo Bear is sleeping right now on her second nap, so we'll see how far we can get. Last night I soaked black beans overnight. And it's kind of like a 3-step process. So I soak the beans overnight, then I boil them, or not boil them, cook them for an hour and a half. And then what I did is I took some of them just plain and put them in the freezer for later. And then I took the rest, and usually I use a vegetable stock, but this time I just used water, a little bit of water, and seasonings, and kind of cooked them again a 3rd time so they're nice and seasoned. So I'm going to use that on the pizza and then also in the burrito bowl. All right, let's get started. Okay, I think this is going to work. So I got most of the stuff from Trader Joe's. So I have the ready to bake pizza dough from Trader Joe's. Then I made the beans, so that's going to go on mine. I got carne asada since my husband's not a vegetarian and I am. So that will go on his. I'm going to grill that up. Okay, so dough, beans, or carne asada. Then on top of that goes the Mexican style shredded from Trader Joe's. And then that goes in the oven. And iceberg lettuce, salsa especial, Trader Joe's, and then organic ranch dressing from Trader Joe's. And then I could even do a serving of avocado, which is 1/4 of an avocado. So this is how it breaks down. So if I do 2 servings of the dough, which is like 1/4 of this, so maybe I'll do like 1/3 and save calories there. I don't know. And then 1/4 cup of beans is 170, which is crazy to me. I had no idea, but the protein in that's like 11 grams. 1/4 cup of cheese is 100. Lettuce and salsa are like 5 calories each. I mean, it's nothing. Ranch for 2 tablespoons is 110. So that's a total of 670. And then if I did the avocado, that's 750. I have 993 calories left, so I could have a snack now of 243 or have one later tonight. And then my husband's carne asada is 140 calories, which for 1 serving, that's 4 ounces. He'll probably have more because he can eat like 8 or 1,000 more calories more than I can a day. I'm going to prep all of that as much as I can before Landon wakes up from her nap. And then all this stuff can be reused for tomorrow night for a burrito bowl. So I pre-cooked the carne asada with a little bit of pan. And I split up the Trader Joe's dough into 4 sections. So each pizza is going to be 2 servings of the dough. And I just used the parchment paper so I wouldn't have to use extra flour to roll it out. So I'm going to roll these 4 out into pizzas, and then you can just, if you want to store them for later, you can roll them up like this and put them in a Ziploc bag. So if you want to make pizzas like in a couple nights. My snack is under 200 calories. Cappuccino and a brookie, a brownie and a cookie. It's only 160 calories. You want to say hi? Say hi. Landon, say mama. I have to hide this camera from you. Yeah. So baby is down for a quick 30-minute cat nap, and my husband's almost home. So I decided I'm gonna make them and eat them, and the it's not as much as I'd hoped it to be. So it's a 1/4 cup of beans and a 1/4 cup of cheese. And then my husband, I gave a little extra cheese because he has 1,900 calories still because he had a small salad for lunch. I think that's about 4 ounces of carne asada. So that's going to go in the oven at 425 for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it. And then the iceberg is chopped up and the salsa's ready to go. And I'll just get the ranch and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, husband making carne asada. Lettuce, salsa, and ranch. I don't think that's 2 tablespoons of ranch. I don't know if this this thin crust is going to hold up to all these toppings.
No, it looks like it might struggle.
A fork and knife. 1 slice was inhaled. It's really, really good. I think it tastes a lot like CPK's pizza.
It does. The crust is a little different, but
Yeah.
it's very good.
The other thing I would do is throw the crust into the oven for maybe 2 minutes and then flip it, then make the pizza just to kind of toast up the crust.
Yeah, it could be a little, yeah, a little more toasty on the.
Probably would have put olive oil on it too, but I was trying to save calories. But it's good. Recommend it. Hey guys, it's the next day and I am prepping for the Trader Joe's Burrito Bowl Copycat. But first, I have good news. I had the calorie count wrong on that pizza last night. It was somewhere around 550 calories because the beans were wrong. Because when you cook beans, they more than double in size. So therefore, I was double counting the calories. So for example, let me show you. I have all this stuff out for the burrito bowl. Okay, this is gonna be a very, can you see me? A very scientific experiment in my kitchen lab. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to count these. I mean, I have an accounting degree. I didn't use it for very long. I've never really been a bean counter. This is way too many beans. All right, let's try it with a tablespoon. A tablespoon. Oh my God, so many. Look how tiny these are. 1, 2, 55 beans in a tablespoon. Very scientific. 1, 2, 3, 4. 25. We'll say 25. Carry the 4, do the 1. So it's less than half of the calories. What? That's great news. I thought that seemed ridiculous for a 1/4 cup of beans to be 170 calories. I have whole grain Spanish rice. I absolutely love this stuff. I could just eat this. But it has more crap in it, like salt and sodium and all this. And this is just plain, but the calories are not that far off. So for brown rice, it's 230 a cup. Spanish rice, it's 220 a cup. Veggies, I'm gonna do onions and peppers, so that's 40 calories. 1/3 cup of the black beans that I already made, 75. 1/4 cup of the Trader Joe's cheese, 100. Trader Joe's roasted corn. I'm gonna grill these up with the onions and peppers. So 1/3 cup of that is 55. Trader Joe's salsa especial, 10. They're amazing guac to go. I don't think I'm going to use the whole package, so I think probably I'll have half and my husband will have half. So these are 100 calories, so I just did 50 because I'll just do half of that packet. And then Trader Joe's sour cream, I'll probably just do a tablespoon, so that's 30 calories. So that was $5.90, but I think I'll just have a half a cup of rice, so that's 480 calories. I still have 1,216 calories left for the day, so that means it's a Friday night. I can have wine, and I will be having a brookie and a cappuccino right now. So I will show you guys what dinner looks like later. Burrito bowl time. I went with the whole grain Spanish rice. A cup of that. A lot, but yeah. Cup of the rice. Peppers and onions and corn. Cheese. Over the hot stuff. Iceberg lettuce. Tabasco. All right, Daddy's in there with babies. We're gonna switch off, then he's gonna make his. But that is our beautiful, yummy burrito bowl. You didn't use a big ass bowl, Phil.
I didn't know what that bowl was there for.
It's a bab.
I thought it was. I didn't realize.
Big ass bowl. Mama. Look at the sunset. Can we say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say I love you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for calling.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Oh. Her two top teeth are coming in.